Hey guys, I thought that I would drop in and share a crafty haul with you, scrappy haul. The next kit from Ali Edwards has showed up in the mail. I wasn't expecting it at all. And I thought that I would share it with you. Ooh, what's this? A little coupon, it looks like. Oh, fun, with a promo code. Mama needs to go shopping again. Very fun. I'm gonna keep that in mind. These are the add-ons to the Seek story kit, pardon me. They come in this cute little bag this time. I like that, with the little drawstring. And there are some giant numbers, which I thought would be a lot of fun and maybe very useful in my December daily this year, maybe even in my October daily. I am planning on doing October daily this year. I have plans to share another video with you walking through last year's October daily. That was my first year doing it, so watch for that. So I will be using these somewhere. They are wood veneer, so they are sturdy. They are all different colors, and it's numbers 1 through 10, I think, or at least 0 through 9. So, and they're all different colors. Lots of good options there. And then I have some of the puffy sticker shapes as well. I'll take these ones out of the package because they'll be a little easier to get in and out. Seek happiness. Feeling lost. Oh, I like that. Finding the light. That's another really good one too. Finding my way. And seeking the joy. They're all black and white or white and black, which is fantastic. So they will go with everything. Throw these back into their little package. And now for the meat and potatoes of this kit. I think that's everything. So we have a phrase that says seek love. The sticker was in the way here, so I couldn't see exactly what it says. So you can use both portions of this. The letters punch out, it looks like. So you can use the actual chipboard shape with the letters punched out, and then you can use the letters elsewhere as well, which is fun. And then we have our die cut word seek. We have some wood veneer triangles that have different phrases on them: adventure, discover, and explore. Love those. I love the neutral color of them too. Of course, our phrase stickers. I love that blue color. There's some really good phrases on these. Finding my purpose. Seek simple, seeking this in myself. Looking for something, investigating. Just love for this journey. Clarity. Very good phrases. Escaping the ordinary. Love that. Chipboard shapes. They're all circles this time. We have found this. Set your life on fire. Seek those who fan the flames. Love for this journey. And a fun little game of hide and seek. Fun. I like the color scheme here. We got blues and blues and greens going on. There's some gray, like dark grays too. And then neutrals. Journal cards, we'll come back to that in just a moment. I'll share the paper with you first. So we have the 4x8 inch papers. There's only a couple of these in each kit that you get from Ali Edwards. The story kits, which is what I subscribe to, is subscription based. So you'll get one kit every month for the year, so 12 kits in the end. And in each of those kits, you get 2 4x8 1/4 inch pages. So you can cut these out. You can put them directly into your album as they are, punch them on one side, or you can put them in your traveler's notebook too, if that is something that you do. So this one has part 1, 2, and 3 with circles on it, watercolor circles. You can do your journaling in here. You can add a photo to the center of it and do journaling on either side, pictures in all three of them. It's totally up to you. Lots of different options. And then another one that says seek joy where I'm finding it now, and then lots of room for words. I really love this. Really, really love it. And then of course we have the 6x8 papers. Her papers in her kits are not true 6x8. Sorry for the noise. I know it magnifies on your phone when you're recording, which is what I use. They're actually 8¼ inches by 7 wide. So they can go inside your album outside of a page protector. You can trim them down so they will fit inside a 6x8. Or like this one, you can trim them out as well and use it in an alternative way. I absolutely love this. Seeking and Finding. I don't know if I would mess with perfection. This is gorgeous the way that it is. And I would use this as like a title page and then photos and words on another page and make it a double page layout. Another option that would be fun is half cut this out so it can flip up and then you have something hiding behind it. That's another great option too. Like maybe a photo or all of your words and then put either a shape or a photo here underneath Seeking and Finding. That's an option. And then there's this grid paper. This actually seems familiar to me. I think there was something similar in another kit. Maybe it was a scrapbooking kit from last year. I'm not sure. But I love that. This would be great for a travel layout. It's the first thing I think of. It reminds me of like a city map kind of thing. And then we have X's and O's. That's super cute too. So there is your pattern papers. And last but not least, the journal cards. Somewhere here I have a pair of scissors. There they are. They're just hiding on me. They kind of blend in, I find. I have several pairs of scissors, but I gravitate to these ones all the time because they're my favorites. And I don't know, they kind of seem to like to hide behind other things I have in my little organizer. Okay, get the packaging off. As quickly as I can. Here we go. There we go. Okay, so the 3x4s, I'll just quickly flip through them because there's several here. Seeking, Seek Adventure, I go to seek a great perhaps. Oh, I like that. I love that. Seek a little story about right now. Only seek to be more yourself. Love that too. When I photograph, what I'm really doing is seeking answers to things. Simply seeking this and seek light in the darkness. Those are some great quotes. I love them. So that's the 3x4 inch journal cards. And then a 4x6. I've always loved the coffee ring stamped look. So I love that. Seek Up, Good Stuff is Coming. What You Seek is Seeking You by Rumi. The secret of happiness, you see, is not found in seeking more, but in developing the capacity to enjoy less. That's pretty deep. Number 1, number 2, seeking, and then seek what sets your heart on fire. And then setting my heart on fire right now. I've seen layouts with these cut out, which is definitely an option. Or you can leave them as is, or like the idea I had with this heart paper, cutting a portion of it out so that it flips, doing the same here too. That would be really kind of neat. Or of course, leaving it as it is. So there you have it, friends. That is the Seek Story Kit from Ali Edwards. I never really got much done using the Good Story Kit from last month. What was the Good Story Kit? We're into September. So the Good was July. Seek was August. And then September's will be coming out fairly soon as well. Because I'm Canadian, it takes a little bit longer. So I will not be done working with this by the time the next kit comes out, and I'm not sure which one is coming up next. But when I do get it, be sure to watch for another unboxing video, because I enjoy doing them. I hope you guys enjoy them too. If you do, leave me a comment and a like, all that good stuff. And until then, I'll be back again soon. Bye, friends.